How to change email on Facebook. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the email account that is on your Facebook account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the Facebook app, then select the menu button next to the Facebook icon in the top left. Then once in the menu, scroll down, select Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. Once in Settings, select Account Center. Then in Account Center, select Profile and Personal Details. Then at the bottom here, you'll see Personal Details with your current email address. So select that. Then all we need to do is select Add Email. Go ahead and enter the new desired email address into this box here. Select Done. And if you have multiple accounts here, make sure that you have the account checked that you want for this email address. Then select Next. After that, it's going to send a code to your email that you need to enter. And that will look like this. So get that code and then just enter that in. And then once you do that, it'll say you've added your email to the selected account. So select Close. If you have an old email on here, you can select it and then select Delete Email and then confirm you do indeed want to delete this email account from your Facebook account if you no longer use that email or maybe it was hacked or something like that. So once you see your email show up here, you have now added it to your Facebook account. You can also go into the old email address and remove it from your account by selecting Delete Email if you want to. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.